The sacred wheel of life. Puris Hartha is revealed through the zodiac. Puris Hartha, the classification of zodiac signs. Dharma signs. The flame-bearers of divine order. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Artha signs. The lords of manifested power. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Kama signs. The alchemists of desire and union. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Moksha signs. The gatekeepers of the beyond. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.